wild boar tenderloin, the absolute peak of gourmet meat.
The journey of the world's most flavorful steaks begins in the deep woods with the wild boar.
Natural diet is why wild boar tenderloin has that unique, earthy taste.
We only harvest mature wild boar to ensure the steaks have deep color and fat.
The wild boar must stay cool to preserve the integrity of the tenderloin.
Every wild boar is tagged for full traceability before it becomes a steak. Sanitation is our priority when preparing wild boar steaks.
Skinning the wild boar reveals the lean, dark red muscle beneath.
Look at that lean profile. The wild boar is a powerhouse of protein.
Careful evisceration ensures the wild boar tenderloin remains uncontaminated.
We age the wild boar for 7 days to let the tenderloin fibers soften.
The fat on a wild boar is seasonal and adds rich flavor to the steaks.
Splitting the wild boar allows us to reach the prized tenderloin inside. The back strap is where we get our most uniform wild boar steaks. The tenderloin is the most expensive and softest part of the wild boar.
This is the fillet of the wild boar. It requires a delicate touch.
Removing the silver skin ensures the wild boar tenderloin melts in your mouth.
Each wild boar steak is cut to a precise thickness for even cooking.
These wild boar medallions are the crown jewel of exotic dining.
German-level precision for every single wild boar cut. Wild boar meat loves woody herbs like rosemary and thyme. The wild boar meat has absorbed all the aromatic juices.
Luxury packaging for a luxury wild boar product.
We ensure the wild boar tenderloin stays hydrated and juicy.
Flash freezing locks the wild boar's freshness at its peak.
Frozen fast to prevent ice crystals from damaging the wild boar cells.
A tight seal is the best friend of wild boar meat. No oxygen means the wild boar stays fresh for up to a year. Lock tight to protect the wild boar from freezer burn.
This label tells the customer their wild boar is 100% natural.
Traceability from this box back to the exact forest the wild boar came from.
Final branding for our top-tier wild boar selection. Safety check. Our wild boar steaks are 100% boneless.
Ready to be shipped to Michelin star restaurants.
The wild boar must never break the cold chain.
The quality of this wild boar meat is visible even when frozen.
Slow thawing preserves the juices of the wild boar.
Salt brings out the natural
sweetness of the wild boar.
That sizzle means the wild boar is developing a perfect crust.
Mayor reaction. The secret to a great wild boar steak. Basting the wild boar in butter for ultimate richness. Wild boar is best served medium rare to keep it tender. Resting allows the juices to stay inside the wild boar meat. Look at that texture. The wild boar is perfection.
Berries and wild boar are a classic forest combination.
The flavor of the wild boar is intense, clean, and delicious.
Analyzing the fat-to-protein ratio of the wild boar.
We are here to verify the non-GMO status of the wild boar's environment for certification.
Okay, pull the January batch first. The new stock goes in the back of that lane. Make sure the wild boar labels are facing out.
Unit 75, this is dispatch. You are clear through the next sector. Current ETA is holding steady.
This is excellent. The acidity and sweetness balance the richness of the wild boar perfectly. Variation 78 is a success.
You follow the curve of the bone here, scraping down firmly. See how clean that is? All right, your turn. Maintain that angle.
Carefully weigh the tissue sample.
We're running the PCR now. We should have the preliminary shelf life data shortly for the audit report.
All right, the certification is current and matches the records. Your technique is excellent.
Thank you. We always prioritize safety here.
Updating the production quota for the wild boar batch.
Wild boar tenderloin, the absolute peak of gourmet meat.